Alcohol, fine for me, not good for plants.
Alcohol, fine for me, bad for dogs.
Alcohol, fine for me, bad for my kids. Alcohol, fine for me, not good for the farm animals. Alcohol is not just poisonous to my children or my animals or my plants. Alcohol is also poisonous to me. And if I'm unwilling to let my kids, my animals, or my plants drink alcohol, then what does that say about my relationship with myself? It's time to start loving yourself. You want to live your best life? Start by putting the alcohol down. And if you want to quit drinking, well, you know what to do. Hit me up. I'll do it with you. Peace.